Haha, this is how we try. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another Mac. Let's unpack this one. Throwing apart without any knife. The back is soft. Let's take this off, guys. For this year we have another Mac. You can see, guys, we have MacBook Air 2025 model for you guys. It's midnight color. Look at the box, guys. Beautiful, magnificent box. MacBook Air written. This side as well. Behind you can see how it's sealed. Lovely sealed. Tag all the way. Wow, beautiful. It's written M4, 16GB of RAM, 256GB of storage. The box is sealed, so we have to break the sticker from here. One way and another as well. Here we go. Wow, beautiful looking MacBook. Here I will take this off from here. Beautiful looking machine. We'll go to this later. Let's see what we have inside the pack. We have charging cable. You can see Apple returned back to this one couple of generation ago. C port, you can charge with the C port also. This one is heavy. I feel quality cable be better than before. Here we have this one, all the catalog menu here. So although the sticker is missing, the no more sticker, they're not continue with that. Only two things is quite heavy though, but only two things, I don't know why, but whatever. Put inside back. Here is the charger, guys. See how it is. I have to buy a converter for me here. Let's see. Lovely, very small. It's smaller than my last MacBook. Okay, nothing else in the box, so I put box one side. Here's the MacBook. I'm gonna peel the paper off. Let's see here from behind. Lovely side as well. From here. Normally I save the paper in case if I'm not want anymore, I want to return or something. Take this off from middle. Wow, it's a beautiful looking machine. You can see the color midnight. Look different in different color, different shade. Wow. Behind you see more flat, clean finishing. Wow, beautiful machine. I put here. Let me put this on for the first time. Wow, look at this, guys. How beautiful this paper. I'm taking off. Buongiorno. Bonjour. Hello. Beautiful looking machine. You can see closer how the keyboard. Look at the touchpad. How beautiful the shape. And the keyboard, beautiful designing, and the display. So when you open your Mac, you will see this screen. Choose your language as you want. I hit English, decide.
To use Australian English.
It will tell you different. I put
English as the main language. Press the return key.
English United Kingdom, return button. You see here, this is the return button, or enter. If you are Windows user, click return to enter. You can use mouse as well. Here we go. Then you have to decide your country where you are at the moment. I'm at the moment in Argentina. I hit continue button. If you have an old machine, you want to recover this Mac from the old Mac with all the things, choose the first one. If you're coming from Windows, so choose the second one. If you are doing setup from the iPhone, if you have iPhone, I have iPhone 16 Pro Max here. If you want to do setup with iPhone, iPad, you can do that, or set up as a new. As I'm setting up this one as a new, gonna make a new ID. I hit continue button. Check the language other preferences. All is fine according to your language. For me, English and Spanish both. I hit continue. Accessibility, other, motor, hearing, cognitive, vision. I don't want anything of that. I hit not now. Then you have to connect with your Wi-Fi. Is mandatory. So put the password of your Wi-Fi. Then hit continue button. Is connected, data and privacy. I hit continue. You have to put a name for your Mac, an account name, password and all the information. Create a Mac account. Okay. Put here full name. Put a password. Verify the password. Hit continue button. Creating an account. So they are creating a Mac account for you guys. Sign in, use your iCloud, sign into your Apple account. If you have old Apple account, you can put there directly. And if you want to make a new, you can create a new Apple account. So I'm creating a new Apple account to do this setup. I hit create new Apple account. So new Apple account, they put me here. I put a date. Let's see. Date of birth. You have to put your first name and last name. An email address. They will give you one. Password is required. Verify the password. Email address could be here. You have to put. Hit continue button. Up to put a phone number in this case to verify. Hit agree and term condition. Agree. Hit agree. Enable local service on this Mac. Hit continue button. Use or don't use. I don't use here. I hit continue button. Continue one more time. Continue. If you want to use Apple Intelligence, I hit setup later. Hit continue button. Voice of Siri, choose for me.
The colors of the sky fade.
I hit continue. Touch ID, I hit continue. Fingerprints, set up later. Here is the fingerprint you have. If you want set up now, if you want do later, it's on you. I hit continue. Choose your look as light version. Update Mac. I hit continue. So it will download some new things for my Mac. Welcome to Mac is written here. I hit continue button. My Mac is ready to use. So one account has been created. Now I can go to Safari, YouTube. You have to sign in with your YouTube account. I put here 4K. Here we go. How beautiful, guys. So Mac is ready to use. So we have created a new Apple account to set up the Mac for the first time. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.